So how do I vlog? I have a friend that says that she has the same camera as me, but she never used it. She had it for about a year. Mind you, I don't even know how to use my camera. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to change the settings or anything. I used to use the same settings that I had when I purchased the camera. Same settings and everything. All I do is push record. If I have to delete something, that's it. So all I'm saying is basically just start filming. And you don't need a fancy camera, you can use your cell phone. But this is a video on how I vlog. But this is a little disclaimer I'm gonna say. Is basically just do it. Just start it. And before I get into my video, every social media platform is paying you to post. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, of course YouTube. Everyone's paying you to post, so just create some content. So there's two ways that I vlog. I vlog on my camera. This is a Canon PowerShot G7 II, something like that. I had both. I had the first one and the second one. The first one, I did break it on accident, and I had a warranty, so they sent me the upgraded version. So make sure you get a warranty when you buy these cameras, because they're easy to break and they're very expensive. So like I said, there's two cameras. I mean, I use my phone, and then I also use this camera to vlog. If I'm in public, I use this camera. But if I'm inside a restaurant, I'll probably still use this camera. But a lot of people don't like to be filmed, or some people just say you can't film. But like I said, we don't ask permission, we ask for forgiveness. So so sometimes I just use my phone to vlog, and I have a different video on how to use the iPhone to vlog, because it's a whole little different thing. But it's hard to explain. But like I said, use your discretion. That's the better answer. Just use your discretion. And a tripod. Holding your camera just like this with your hand, your arm's going to hurt. Your arm's going to hurt. So having a tripod, and get an expensive tripod, not a cheap one, because like I said, that can break your camera as well. A cheap tripod can break your camera. It happened to me before. So a tripod. Now I have a tripod where it's about 60 inches. I use that when we do our pop-up. I use that tripod. The one is, you know, just pull it up. You can get one for 20 bucks for that one. I have another one. It costs a little bit more. It's about $200. I got it from Best Buy. It's a gorilla tripod. I use that like for traveling. I use that one. And then I also have a mini tripod, and I use that when I want to be discreet. Like if I'm in a restaurant, you guys know I still get my content when I'm in a restaurant. I'll use the mini one because it's not that obvious when you're vlogging. Yeah, right. I mean, trust me. Trust me when I say that. And that's basically it. That's how I vlog. That's it. And it's like, that's the simplest way. It's no cheap book. If somebody wants to sell you a course on this is it. They just scamming you. I'm being honest. Because you can create content on your iPhone, even the Android, like I said. Anything you can do is content as well. When you picture life, when you think of your life as everything can be content, then that's when I feel like people are different. Like they start really pushing out content. That makes sense. And I'm gonna give you a prime example. This girl, she's a white girl, right? Literally, she's in college, so all she do every day is in the morning she walks to get coffee, come back to her room and do homework. That's all she do. She went viral, and Dunkin' Donuts gave her a deal. Like what? And she has her own coffee drink named after her now. So I'm just saying, like little stuff like that. Anything can be content. If you know Cooking with Kaya, she made $50,000 off her one video. Like what's crazy? And I'm just watching Peaky Doll. She did an interview. If you guys don't know her, I'm giving people shout outs for free right now. But Peaky Doll, she said she made $100,000 off her content. So I'm like, anything you do is be content. So just get your camera and start filming. And if you have the camera that I have, like I said, I don't even know how to work it. All I know is when to push the power button on and record, and that's basically all you need. Do not do all the settings. If you don't know how to do the settings, if you haven't went to TikTok University, don't mess with the camera settings. Just use the settings that the camera was on when you bought it. Yeah, that's it. Start filming.